Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a brow lamination on myself here at my house. I brought home our new brow lamination kit. I really need my brows done, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it and talk to you guys a little bit. So let's jump right into it. First things first is we are going to cleanse my brows. They're really clean already, so I'm just going to go in lightly and give them a nice little cleanse using the cleaner that is in the kit. So we'll just go on them. Like I said, my face is clean, so I'm not crazy worried about cleaning them. What's cool about the brow lamination kit is you can use it up to 15 times on your client, you know, just depending on how much you use. But again, I'm doing it here at home, so I'm using it all on myself. Okay, next thing is we have our glue. It's gonna go directly on the brows, and then I'm gonna brush them up. I really like the spiky look, so I'm gonna do this brow first. So we'll start here. The glue kind of dries fast, so I like to do it kind of by section. So I'm gonna do this section first, and I'm gonna get this guy, brush up. Whatever you may be, you can now do your brows right at home with this kit. Okay, that one's good. I'm gonna go over and do that side. You can already see the difference in the two. Again, I'm gonna just start with my front part here. Processing time on this isn't that bad. It takes about 40 minutes or so. Okay, so the glue's on. Now we're gonna put on our cling film, which we also carry here, which is super convenient, guys. Pulls out exactly how you need it, and then you can just cut it, boom, and then we're gonna lay it across the brows, and it's gonna stay on for 10 minutes. Hey Siri, start a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Okay guys, let's talk about some stuff, because at LBK I'm going to be starting a webinar series. We're going to be discussing so many different things, but I want it to be really focused on the financial part of running a business, which we're not taught in school. You actually have to go to school to learn. I've learned so much over, you know, the years of running a business. Started from nothing, developed $1 million brand, and I want to take that knowledge that I have from lashing, and I want to share it with you guys. Maybe, I do apologize for the noise in the background, guys. We're at my house this time. A little different scene, so you might hear some noise in the background. Don't mind them. Let's jump back into what I was talking about. So I want to take that knowledge that I've developed over the years, and I want to show you guys exactly how I did it, how you can also do it. And it doesn't have to mean that you are a lash artist. You can be in any type of business and implement what I'm going to teach you guys into that business. And I think that that alone is so powerful, guys, that I'm teaching you stuff that people go to school to learn. So these webinars are going to be happening every single month. I'm going to be discussing different topics each time. The first webinar is on December 11th, guys. We're going to be talking about finances. This is going to go into depth about credit, how to start a business, an LLC, all these different things. We're going to hit these topics on different months, but the first month is going to be finances, understanding how to make multiple streams of income, how to, you know, take the money that you've made, whether it be from lashing, cosmetology, whatever you are, whatever industry you're in, how to take that money and make multiple streams of income with it. That is so powerful. Not a lot of people know how to do that, and so this information that I'm going to be giving you guys is top notch. We'll leave it in the description down below. You guys can sign up for the first class. Again, it's on December 11th. It's a Saturday. No excuses, guys, so make sure you guys show up. We will have it also be recorded, so if you can't make it to the live webinar, you can purchase the pre-recorded one. So super excited about that. Like I said, you don't have to be a lash artist. You don't have to be in the beauty industry. You could be just an entrepreneur or wanting to start a business. So I'm gonna give you guys all those tips on how to do it. It's going to help just bring your business to the next level or start your business on the right steps. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Okay, so these are processing. It takes about 10 minutes, and then we'll go through the final 3 more steps. Okay guys, 10 minutes is up. We're going to do the next step. So I'm just gonna take this off, and it's kind of satisfying to watch. Okay, next step is we're gonna take the lift lotion, which is basically going to perm these suckers. And we're gonna apply onto the brows. I like to have a lot. I think I learned that as I used it more and more. You want there to be a good amount on there. I think you get better results. And it does not smell the best either, so. We're gonna leave this one on for 10 minutes and let it do what it does. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna get our cling film again. And again, this is so convenient. Wrap it off and boom, 10 minutes, guys. All right, guys, we're back. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this and we're gonna apply step number 3, 4, fixation. All right, we have this one and then one more step left and then we'll reveal the brows. Okay, we're good. All right, now we're gonna apply cling film one more time on here. You guys can see there is a lot on here, so you'll get a lot out of this as well. So super good purchase. All right, we're gonna apply this back on and 10 more minutes. Hey Siri, start a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, so obviously here on the channel we do a lot of tutorials, we do a lot of how-tos, we have a podcast, there's a lot of stuff, but I want to know from you guys, what is your favorite videos that we do here at LBK if you have been a part of our channel from the jump. You know that we're really I really like doing tutorials. I started this channel to really educate people. I started as a lash artist, I only knew classic, taught myself volume, and then just dedicated kind of my career to, you know, being really good at lashing and then teaching you guys the things that I felt like I wasn't taught in my class. And that's really what the channel was, the foundation of the channel is on that. I want to make sure that, you know, I'm teaching people things that are gonna help them not have to go through the bumps that I went through, because there was a lot of stuff that I didn't learn in my class that when I went out into the real lashing world, I was like, oh my God, I don't know. And no one told me this. So I like to teach those things to you guys. I also like to teach about different products, things that I really like, products that I've tried, disliked, tried, and I liked. So that's kind of what this channel is. And I really enjoy doing tutorials for you guys. Obviously, like, they're the most interactive. I feel like you guys learn a lot from them. So let me know in the comments what is your favorite. You guys can head back and check out our videos that we have done before. So let me know, guys. Okay guys, our 10 minute is up here, so I'm gonna remove this and we are going to clean everything off of the brows, and then we're gonna apply the last step, which is the nutritious step. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything here. I'm gonna use the cleanser from the kit, I think it works really good. Okay, our last step is we're gonna take our little oil here. We're going to apply onto the brows. They're kind of all pushed down right now, but I'm gonna brush them up. I know it looks like I'm putting a lot, guys, but I'm not. This little applicator doesn't get a lot on it, so I gotta like apply multiple little rounds. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm going to brush my brows up. Again, guys, I'm super into the spiky look. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other one. And then we're gonna apply the cling film one last time, and it's gonna stay on for about 8 minutes. You can do 10 if you're working on thicker brows. Beautiful, right? Who else has one eyebrow that looks better than the other? Or is it just me? But I swear this eyebrow always looks better than this one. So annoying, right? Okay, last step, cling film on, and then we'll show you guys the final results. Thank you guys for watching me do this. This was my first time doing it at home, and I gotta say, so easy, amazing results. And remember, if you guys purchase it today, you guys get a free cling film with a purchase of your brow kit. 10 minutes. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Take my little spoolie here and just kind of move my lashes where I want them to go, which is awesome because sometimes I like them to be spiky and then sometimes I like them to be more like curved, and what's great is they won't move. Whatever direction you put them in, they're gonna stay. So I'm into the spiky look right now, so I'm gonna leave them a little spiked, but you know what? That's gonna wrap up the video. Thank you so much for joining me in this little tutorial as I did my brows. If you're interested in taking our webinar, guys, make sure you hit the link down below. We'll leave it down there. You guys can find out all the info on it. It's gonna be great. Don't want you guys to miss it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for joining.